Cali Biodiversa, technological proposal for the design and construction of a GeoViewer and spatial database for the Censo Arbóreo de Cali 2021 and its associated flora and fauna biodiversity. An initiative presented by the Fundación M.a.g.i.c for the postulation of GBIF Even Nelson Challenge. Introduction. The technological proposal for a web geoportal and spatial database for the consultation and analysis of biodiversity data in the city of Cali, Colombia, is an initiative developed by the Fundación M.a.g.i.c, which seeks to provide decision makers, researchers, educational community, private companies, community leaders, and citizens in general with a tool of digital maps hosted in the cloud through which they can explore and study the information of the Cali Tree Census 2021 and the biodiversity of fauna associated with the different urban spaces of the city, interactively and jointly with the data published by the Global Network of Biological Information, Global Biodiversity Information Facility GBIF. General purpose. Develop a multi-platform web portal of digital maps for the exploration, consultation, analysis, and presentation of flora and fauna biodiversity information of the urban territory of Cali, Colombia, which integrates the data of the local tree census updated to 2021 and the records of fauna biodiversity associated with the urban ecosystems published by the Environmental Authority (DACMA) and the Global Biodiversity Information Facility GBIF global network, focused on supporting environmental management processes, land use planning, and construction of knowledge networks that articulate local and community levels with academic and governmental global focal groups. Specific goals. Design, build, and manage a spatial database of flora and fauna biodiversity data recorded in Cali's urban spaces that integrates the 2021 tree census and the records of the GBIF for the local territory. Integrate the geographic information and the strategic ecosystems and main and secondary ecological structure of the district of Cali in the project's Geoportal and Spatial database, according to the provisions contemplated by the Land Management Plan, Plan de Ordenamiento Territorial, and the Urban Forestry Statute, Estatuto de Silvicultura Urbana. Provide the different social, economic, and institutional actors of the city with a useful web technological tool to support processes of collective construction of knowledge about territory and flora and fauna biodiversity, as well as the conservation of resources as essential components in the continuous and integral improvement of citizens' life quality. Support processes of construction of indicators concerning with environmental quality of urban spaces, conservation of biological resources, ecological connectivity, food security, and citizen participation, useful for the diagnosis and territorial perspective. Legal framework. The legal framework of this technological proposal of Geoportal Cali Biodiversa is integrated by the administrative provisions of Agreement Acuerdo 0353 de 2013 del Consejo Municipal de Cali, that adopts the Estatuto de Silvicultura Urbana del Distrito de Santiago de Cali, which specifically in its Article 11 contemplates the collective task of maintaining the urban and rural environmental system, which implies generating viable strategies that qualify and increase the level of knowledge, appropriation, and citizen awareness on environmental protection, and on the other hand, develop synergies between the different social, economic, and institutional actors related in different ways with the areas and the territory. Thank you very much.